When you hear the word Sage in a business context, especially when discussing finance, it's highly likely that people are referring to Sage Group plc, a prominent multinational enterprise software company. While Sage doesn't perform banking services itself, it's not a bank where you open an account or get a loan. It plays a crucial and pervasive role in how businesses, big and small, interact with their banks and manage their financial operations. As an accounting software expert, let me demystify the relationship between Sage and banking, explaining its significance in simple, understandable terms for anyone looking to grasp its importance. Sage, a powerhouse in accounting and business management software. At its core, Sage is a leading provider of business management software with a strong focus on accounting, payroll, and enterprise resource planning, ERP, solutions. Think of it as the digital backbone for managing a company's financial health. From tracking sales and expenses to managing invoices, processing payroll, and generating financial reports, Sage software helps businesses keep their books in order. Some of its most widely recognized products include Sage 50, formerly Sage Peachtree, or simply accounting, popular among small to medium-sized businesses for general accounting. Sage 200 or Sage Intacct for cloud-based ERP designed for larger or growing businesses requiring more comprehensive features. Sage X3, an enterprise-level solution for complex business processes. Sage Payroll, dedicated software for managing employee salaries and related taxes. The intertwined relationship, how Sage connects with banking. So, if Sage isn't a bank, how does it relate to banking? The connection is primarily through data integration and streamlined financial processes. Sage software acts as a central hub for a business's financial data, and its ability to connect with banking services is what makes it incredibly powerful and efficient. Here's how Sage typically interacts with and benefits banking operations for businesses. Bank feeds and reconciliation. This is perhaps the most fundamental and critical connection. Sage accounting software can directly link to a business's bank accounts. This connection allows for automated bank feeds, transactions from your business bank account, deposits, withdrawals, payments, etc., are automatically imported into your Sage software. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, saving significant time and reducing errors. Bank reconciliation. Once transactions are imported, Sage helps you match them against the records you've already entered in your accounting system, e.g., matching a payment received from a customer with an invoice you issued. This process, known as bank reconciliation, is crucial for ensuring that your bank balance matches your accounting records, helping to identify discrepancies, errors, or unrecorded transactions. Payment processing and automation. Sage software can facilitate various payment processes that interact directly with banking systems. Generating payments. Businesses use Sage to generate payments for suppliers, accounts payable, employee salaries, payroll, and other expenses. While Sage doesn't move the money itself, it creates the payment instructions, e.g., BACS files for direct debit/credits in the UK, ACH files in the US, that are then submitted to the bank for processing. Online payments. Some Sage solutions integrate with online payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal, which then process payments via banking networks. This allows businesses to accept online payments from customers and have them reflected in their Sage accounts. Direct bank integration for transfers. More advanced Sage systems or specific modules might offer direct integration with banking platforms for initiating bulk payments or transfers, further automating the payables process. Reporting and analysis. By integrating with banking data, Sage software provides comprehensive financial reporting. This includes cash flow management, tracking money in and out, allowing businesses to monitor their liquidity and make informed decisions about spending and investment. Expense tracking. Categorizing and analyzing spending directly from bank transactions helps businesses understand where their money is going. Financial statements. Producing accurate balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and cash flow statements, all of which rely on complete and reconciled banking data. These reports are vital for business decision-making, tax compliance, and securing funding from banks. Payroll management. For businesses using Sage Payroll, the connection to banking is direct. Automated salary payments. Sage Payroll calculates employee salaries, deductions, and taxes, then generates the necessary files, e.g., BACS or ACH files, that can be uploaded to the bank for direct deposit of wages into employee bank accounts. Tax payments. It also helps businesses track and prepare for the payment of payroll taxes to relevant government bodies, often facilitating direct electronic payments. Secure data exchange. The integration between Sage and banking systems is built on secure protocols. This ensures that sensitive financial information, like bank account numbers, transaction details, is transmitted safely, protecting businesses from fraud and unauthorized access. Why this integration matters. The benefits for businesses. The strong integration between Sage software and banking services offers numerous benefits. Time savings. Automation of data entry and reconciliation drastically reduces manual effort, freeing up valuable time for business owners and accounting staff. Accuracy and reduced errors. Direct bank feeds minimize human error, ensuring that accounting records are a true reflection of bank activity. Improved cash flow visibility. Real-time access to reconciled bank data provides a clear picture of a business's financial position, enabling better cash flow management and forecasting. Better decision-making. Accurate and up-to-date financial reports, powered by integrated banking data, allow businesses to make informed strategic decisions. Streamlined audits and tax preparation. Organized and reconciled data simplifies the process of preparing for audits and filing taxes. Enhanced security. Secure data transfer protocols protect sensitive financial information. Sage as an enabler, not a bank. In essence, Sage serves as a sophisticated enabler in the banking ecosystem for businesses. It provides the software tools that empower companies to efficiently manage their financial transactions, interact seamlessly with their banks, and gain profound insights into their financial health. While it doesn't hold your money or lend it to you, it is indispensable for ensuring that your money movements are accurately recorded, reconciled, and reported, forming the bedrock of sound financial management. For any business, from a sole trader to a large corporation, leveraging accounting software like Sage with robust banking integration is no longer a luxury but a fundamental necessity for efficient, accurate, and secure financial operations in today's digital age. It transforms the often tedious task of managing money into a streamlined, insightful process, allowing businesses to focus on growth and innovation.